we tonight?
Doing all right, Aaron. How are you doing out there?
Doing great, almost as good as that Hawk.
I mean, we're all flying free, I suppose, tonight here on the Central Coast. Excited about the rain coming over the next couple of days after weeks of dry conditions and me talking about drought. Who wants to hear me talk about drought? Nobody wants me to talk about drought. It's already cooler out there as well. Take a look at the temperature change between this time yesterday. Many locations about 5 to 10 degrees cooler. This trend will continue with much cooler weather for the rest of the week and into the weekend and beyond. So get ready for that. So the cold front's not even here yet. It will bring more cold air tomorrow. There's the area of low pressure up along the Oregon coast. The actual cold front not too far away. It will be sliding through around sunrise tomorrow. And then behind it, this area of low pressure will swing through and then destabilize our atmosphere. So we're going to get 2 little pockets of rain tomorrow. This won't be the strongest system in the forecast. It will be enough to bring some rain for us, so much needed rainfall. But there are some possibilities for higher rainfall totals later on in the period, which we'll talk about in a moment. But let's get you through this first system. Overnight tonight, onshore flow increases, pushing low clouds back into the bay, into the valleys nearby. Some drizzle and fog may be possible out of that. The actual cold front itself will hold off till around sunrise, maybe a touch earlier tomorrow morning. This is 5 a.m. on FUTURECAST. The front right here, you can see the change in direction with these wind arrows. Ahead of it, a very quick southerly burst of wind. Behind it, we're going northwesterly. So that is the cold front right there. And along it, we'll see a broken line of showers. Now, these showers may not actually reach everybody as they pass through. There may be some holes in the line. But beyond that, tomorrow, more rain chances will occur. And I think everyone's going to get some rain at some point in time during the day tomorrow. We've got a good chance at seeing it. So this will come through with brief light to moderate rainfall. And that will be during the morning commute. So watch out for slick spots on the roadways. Then we'll see a few sprinkles lingering through late morning. Beyond that, the area of low pressure slides down the coast and it will invigorate the sky, if you will, and we'll see showers develop. There is a slight chance that one of these showers may produce a bolt of lightning or some very small hail. On top of that, we'll see cold temperatures moving in aloft. Could be enough to paint the top of our peaks nearby with some snowfall. So this is a cold weather system coming through. These showers coming through around lunchtime could have brief downpours with them as well. And a few showers may linger as late as around the evening commute. So that's the first system coming through tomorrow. Beneficial rainfall, perhaps an inconvenience to you, but good for our local environment, and certainly we'll be excited about that. A few sprinkles may linger into Saturday morning, but for the most part, the action's going to be tomorrow during the day. Total precipitation with this system closing in on 1/4 inch, I would say, for most Monterey Bay cities. We'll see a few spots in the mountains which approach 1 inch. So again, beneficial, no flooding with this system expected. Some snowfall possible along the highest peaks in Monterey and San Benito counties, but no major issues down over roadways or populated areas. So just fun to look at. And that's the kind of snow I suppose most of us like around here. Here's a look at the forecast temperatures tomorrow. I got to go through these quickly, though. You can find your spot on the map, but notice all of us will see highs in the mid-50s for the most part tomorrow. 56 in Santa Cruz. Watsonville, the same. Salinas, the same. 57, a little bit warmer there in Hollister. Monterey, a little bit cooler at 54. Been a while since we've been 54 for a high in Monterey, that's for sure. And then farther south, more 50s. Maybe a little bit warmer in the south. Parkfield could be our hot spot tomorrow at 60 degrees. At that next 7-day forecast, we look at this. Take a look at this, okay? So the next system after tomorrow's will be here on Sunday evening. Will linger into Monday. That one probably will bring a little bit more rain than tomorrow's system. It will also have a little bit more wind with it. So stronger system Sunday into Monday, but still nothing too crazy. Certainly will have impacts and inconveniences, but nothing super threatening with it. But the one on Wednesday of next week has the potential for some heavier rainfall, and it may stall over the area. If those two things happen, we could be talking about some major issues with our burn scars. So if you live near one, now is the time to be prepared for that. You may have to leave your homes for a few days. Just be prepared for it. Keep it in the back of your mind. There's a lot of time in between now and then when things could change, but please stay tuned to my forecast. Inland areas, very similar forecast. Highs in the mid-50s. We'll be dealing with gusty conditions occasionally with these systems coming through. We got one tomorrow, one Sunday night, one Wednesday of next week, and we're keeping an eye on them for you. We're back after this.